Hello everyone, this is CSIR NET 30th November. That is the one which was held in Assam and Tamil Nadu. GA, General Aptitude question. Question number 3. Question ID is this and it is of 2 marks, General Aptitude. In an examination, each of 2 brilliant students got 100 out of 100 and each of remaining 6 students scored less than 12. Okay, and there is no provision of getting negative marks. If n is the median score of the students, m is the median score of the students, which of the following is true? So you just have to know what is mean and what is median, how to find out both of them. Okay, now it's given that 2 students got 100 out of 100. So about 2 students we know the score, which is 100 out of 100, and rest of the students there are 6. So in total there are 8 students, out of which 6 students are scoring less than 12 marks. That means let us say it is some x, they just scored less than 12. Okay, suppose it is less than 12. For example, we can consider 11 just to be a little fast in our process. I'm talking in a very layman language, not a proper technique or something. I'm saying just in exam how you approach fast. That's what I'm trying to tell. So 2 students, if they scored 100 marks and suppose all of the others scored less than 12, suppose 11, and there are 6 of them, right? Like this, and total is 8. Now when you find this out, what you will get? You will get 11 6 are 66 and 200, so 266 upon 8, right? 266 upon 8, that means your score is somewhere like 33 point something is my mean approx, right? In a layman language I'm talking about. And what is median basically? So median is that you arrange all the terms in an ascending order and then you find out the middle term out of them. Like here we have 8 terms in total, so when it is an even number, then you have 2 middle terms, right? So we have here like 3 terms you leave from here, 3 terms you leave from here, that is this. So 11 and their mean. So their mean is what we are talking about. So mean is 11, right? And this is my median. Now let's come back to the question. He's saying that mean is m. So my m is 33.3, right? So my m was 33 point something, whatever. And my n is approximately 11. Just for the example's sake, just for discarding option, we have taken this. So here what we will get, m is definitely greater than twice of n. Twice of n will be 22. This is 33. First option is 100% correct. Now the only task remains is to discard the rest of the options, which is 3n by 2 is less than m less than equal to 3n. Just you, when you put the things, you can put and try it out. 3n by 2 is less than 33 is less than equal to 2 into 11. Now you check this. Is this true? No. Second option is wrong. Again, when you come to the third option, what is it? So my third option is n is less than equal to m less than equal to 3n by 2. So my n was 11 and m was 33 point something. So 33 point something is less than 3 into n by 2. That means 33 by 2, right? Which is not true. It will not be less, 33 will be greater. Again, this option is wrong. So my only option is first option, and we can definitely say about the relation between them. So this is also wrong. So my first option is correct. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like it.